Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, we have some leftover crab and crescent dough. Let's make Crab Rangoon Crescents. Those would be a great party dish.
All right, let's make Crab Rangoon Crescents. Today, we're making another appetizer finger food, something you could bring to a party, serve at a party. It's gonna be a spin on our chicken crescents we did a long time ago. I'll post a link to that video below. But we have some leftover crab and we got some crescent rolls. So I thought, hey, instead of chicken crescents, let's make like Crab Rangoon Crescents. So that's what we're gonna do today. It should be really easy. It'll come together pretty quick and we'll make a real simple sweet and sour sauce to go with it. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so to go with our Crab Rangoon Crescents, we're gonna make a sweet and sour sauce. Most sweet and sour sauces have like pineapple juice. I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna make a real simple recipe with stuff you probably have in your pantry and your fridge. So first thing we're gonna do, in a small sauce pot on medium heat, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. I think you can use white or brown, it shouldn't matter. This is a brown sugar that completely dried up and I had to blend it, so that's why it looks kind of weird, but it is what it is. 2/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup white vinegar. Could you use other vinegars? Probably. Apple cider would probably taste good. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and then I have a cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water. And then we're just going to stir this until everything combines. This one's totally optional, but I'm going to add a tablespoon of red chili flakes. Once that comes up to a little bit of a simmer, we're going to lower the heat, give it a stir, and then just let it simmer until it thickens. Once your sauce is thickened to your liking, kill the heat and set it aside for now. Now we want to preheat our oven to 375. We take some of our crab meat or imitation crab meat that we've either chopped real fine or put through a food processor, and then we add about an equal amount of cream cheese, either softened or whipped. Then I would add the whites of green onions, finely chopped, but I'm leaving that out because of Nash. About a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we just stir to combine. And we just set aside until we're ready to use it. Put a little flour down on your workspace. I open up a tube of crescent dough. Unroll this guy. Whoops. I guess it's just gonna come apart all by itself. Now I'm just gonna use a pizza cutter. And it has these little perforations, so we're just gonna use the lines that they give us. And we're gonna cut this into these 8 triangle looking deals. So then we take one triangle, try to maneuver it a little bit so the point is kind of more in the middle. Spoon a healthy amount of our filling right there at the base. And then we just roll this guy up and then just take these outside corners and kind of tuck them in. And there we go. There's our crescent roll. Then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. Now we're gonna make a quick egg wash. So 1 egg, and a little bit of cream, beat that up together. And we have our guys on a rack in a pan with some parchment paper. Just gonna give these guys a little bit of egg wash. That'll just help them get a nice golden brown color. And I'm just gonna give these guys a little bit of this flaky finishing salt. Then we're gonna throw these guys in the oven and bake them at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes until nothing needs to be cooked. So really just until you get that kind of nice deep golden brown on these little crescents. So here we go. And here's our guys right out of the oven, looking great, golden brown, delicious. So we're gonna let these guys cool for a little bit. And there we have our Crab Rangoon Crescents. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's freaking delicious. The sweetness from the crab, the richness from the cream cheese, that pillowy, soft, delicious, golden brown deliciousness from crescent dough. It's just like an awesome Crab Rangoon, but it's just not crispy like, you know, a fried wonton kind of deal. Definitely worth making. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. It's just great. And then that sweet and sour sauce is just, it's super simple, but it's awesome. And it really just adds to the dish. So go make it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
All work and no play makes Nash a dull boy.
Well, check it out. We got these little Crab Rangoon Crescents you wanted. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, the richness from the crab and the cream cheese and that crispy, pillowy crescent dough finished off with that sweet and sour sauce. Big winner here.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The ocean is vast because it admits all rivers. The wise man listens to all sides.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, this is a great dish. It's super easy. Just like our chicken crescents, you can put a bunch of them together in a fairly quick amount of time. Huge crowd pleaser. This one with the crab and the cream cheese and that sweet and sour sauce is a huge winner. So go make it. Everyone's gonna love it. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would mean a lot to us and help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.